Hi everyone, welcome back to techbeatph.com, your trusted channel for everything tech. I am Fluffy and I'm here to do an unboxing and first impression of the latest Vivo V50 series. With its advanced imaging capabilities and sleek design, this phone is making a statement. So let's see if it lives up to the hype.
First up, let's talk about the design. The Vivo V50 Ancora Red comes in a vibrant red hue that is sure to turn heads. Its sleek and durable build makes it perfect for everyday use. The phone feels great in the hands and the design stands out. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 packs a powerful 6000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered up all day. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or multitasking, this battery has got you covered. Plus, the fast charging feature is a game changer when you're really on the go. Now let's dive into the camera capabilities. The Vivo V50 is a true powerhouse with a trio of 50 megapixels ZEISS cameras. It includes a 50 megapixels ZEISS OIS Main Camera with two 50 megapixels ZEISS Ultra Wide-Angle Cameras. These cameras are engineered to deliver exceptional sharp and detailed portraits with professional-grade clarity. With versatile focal lengths of 22mm, 35mm, and 50mm, you can capture stunning shots effortlessly. The Vivo V50 features a stunning display with bright and vivid colors. Whether you're scrolling through social media or playing the latest mobile games, the experience is smooth and immersive. With its powerful hardware, this phone ensures that you stay connected and enjoy a lag-free performance. But wait, there's more. The Vivo V50 is also water resistant, adding an extra layer of durability. It's packed with cutting-edge features that makes it a versatile companion for any tech enthusiast.
First impression of the Vivo V50 Ancora Red. It's a solid mid-range phone which delivers excellent performance, stunning design, and top-notch features. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, click that bell icon for more news coming from techbeatph.com. Our review is coming out soon, so do check that out.